This is Joanna for The Verge, and this is the HP Envy 14 Spectre, which was just announced today. And while I just reviewed the HP Folio 13 Ultrabook, this is HP's more premium system, which comes in at $1,400. And that's really the first thing I noticed about the laptop. The entire thing is made out of premium parts. The lid, the display, and the palm rest, including the touchpad, is made out of Gorilla Glass. Even better, HP's brought over its Radiance display, and it has a 1600 by 900 resolution. Based on my first impressions, the system feels really nice in hand and well built, but it's much heavier and thicker than any of the other Ultrabooks I've reviewed. It weighs 3.9 pounds, and it's definitely thick enough to accommodate a range of full-size ports, including a couple USBs, an HDMI, and an Ethernet. And of course, HP has its notorious Beats audio with a special jog dial. The trackpad and the keyboard look pretty much the same as the Envy 15 and 17, which were released last month. The trackpad seemed pretty responsive, though a little bit stiff, and the keyboard is really nice and backlit. Internally, the Spectre has specs pretty much typical of the rest of the Ultrabooks out there. The $1,400 starting configuration is going to have a Core i5 processor, an 128GB SSD, and 4 gigs of RAM. HP is doing something interesting on its palm rest, though. It's embedded an NFC chip, which will work with any NFC Android phone that runs HP's app. At first, it's going to allow you to transfer URLs, though HP says you'll be able to do more later on. Overall, the Spectre is shaping up to be one of the best-looking Ultrabooks I've seen, but I'm looking forward to taking a more detailed look when it hits the market on February 8th.